Boy, it sure is nice to get back to work after this whole COVID-19 thing. Things are finally getting back to normal.
Things aren't normal yet.
That's weird. I swear I just heard...
I said it's not normal yet.
I'm sorry, are you...
Talking hand sanitizer? Yeah. You got a problem with that?
No, I
Squeeze me. Go ahead. I don't mind at all.
But I...
Come on, man. You've touched a lot of stuff on the way into the office. You need to sanitize your hands to keep safe from the COVID. Go on. Give me a squeeze.
I guess you got a point. Okay.
Hey! Not so hard.
Sorry, you told me to.
I'm just messing with you. I'm an inanimate object. You know I can't feel anything.
This isn't real. Clearly I've been in self-isolation for far too long.
Hey, what's the matter with you? You gonna wipe me down with disinfectant wipes or what?
You're not real. You're not real. You're not real.
Oh, is that right? I guess you're an expert on talking doorknobs all of a sudden now, huh?
Well, I'm not.
That's right, you're not. Now grab some wipes from over there and wipe me down, would you?
This is ridiculous. This is completely ridiculous.
Ooh, yeah, that feels good.
No, I'm done.
What? Hey, where you going? It's not like that. I was just feeling a little dirty, that's all.
That's what I'm saying. We're done here. I've got work to do. You've been disinfected. Now please, just leave me alone.
All right, take it easy. I'm just trying to help stop the COVID, that's all.
Fine, whatever. There. That's better. Oh. Hey! Come on.
Keep your workplace safe from COVID-19. Clean and disinfect commonly touched surfaces. Use hand sanitizer and wash your hands often for at least 20 seconds using soap and water. For more information on staying safe in the workplace, visit coronavirus.gov.